Yeah, we're just having an indoor adjustment just for the ceiling that will be in future put in. This house is actually just under construction, so we're just trying to move the ceiling, the unit down just about 200 from the actual slab, so just so that it makes provision for another, for the ceiling there. So we're just moving the unit down 200 millimeters. We just took it out, and we now busy drilling the core hole for the pipes to go through. And there's your unit setting. It's actually one of those infinity units. So yeah, I'll show you guys again when the job is done.